Dear team members of Horizon, as you know, we are on a steady journey to improve ourselves and to provide better products and services to our customers, but also to make this workplace a good, productive, and healthy environment. So, in our current journey to improve ourselves, to get Horizon to a much better place, we've decided to develop this format. It's a one-on-one meeting that each of you will have with their corresponding supervisor, manager. And this video is a very short introduction about the Miro template that we are about to use. You will find a Confluence link with your invitation to this meeting, which describes in much more detail all things considered about this meeting. But I think for a good start, it's very helpful to discuss the different parts and segments of these meetings. So please let me start. Each meeting begins with a fresh template. So let me act as if I'm working on one for myself today. So it's the 25th of July 23. And yes, obviously, I'm a Kozak. That's my name. And let me quickly 7:25. The first section is the agenda for the meeting. We think a good time for the one-on-one meeting is about 1 hour, excluding preparation and the work that might be done afterwards. But we consider a time box for the whole meeting. So we begin with a 5-minute check-in, which is quickly you take one of those emojis. Let me take this one and this one and explain shortly why you did choose those. From time to time, I even go for other emojis, and of course you can choose whatever emoji you feel like. So if you feel like taking a bath, then just place it over here. So that is the first part, the check-in. Then we'll go to a section which we deserve 10 minutes, where you talk about what is going well, what are you proud of, what is exciting you, and what is energizing you. Please create small post-it cards in preparation for this meeting and place your thoughts here. Very important. All notes and ideas shared in this meeting are strictly confidential. The informations are not shared with any other team member, besides you decide to do so. So you can speak openly to your supervisor, to your manager, and help us understand how we as Horizon can improve, but also how you as a person, as a team member working with Horizon can improve. So give us your idea. So we'll talk about 10 minutes in the section, and we will use the timer in Miro so that we stay in the time boxes. Then we reserve 15 minutes for what's not going well. We will talk about the things that you think that disappoint you, that are frustrating you, or that drain your energy. Please be as open as it's possible for you. Be as descriptive as you can be, so that we can get right to the point. We would like to change. We would like to help you and horizon to become a better version of ourselves. Usually this takes 15 minutes. After that, we would like to understand in your own vision for the next period of time. Could be the next 2 weeks, the next 4 weeks until we meet again. What will you focus on? It could be a project, it could be your next holiday, it could be a thing that you research on. Also here, it could be more than one, could be 10 things. But obviously, if it's 21 things, maybe that's a little bit too much that you can concentrate as one single human on. And after all of that, we take 10 extra minutes and try together to discuss from the things that we learned that you are proud of, that drain your energy, that you're focusing on. Maybe there are very concrete steps that we could take and convert and solve over the next weeks. These things we will develop together bit by bit, write them down and directly decide on what we will do. And in the next meeting we could check, is it resolved? Is it still a pending issue? And sometimes there are situations where something doesn't fit in those 4 categories. Therefore, we've reserved 5 more minutes. That where it's a wild card place where you could place anything that's on your mind that's not fitting here. So we would like you to create your first copy of this board, fill it with the information, and let us try this format for several iterations. If you have suggestions what we might change, what we might add, what we might get rid of, it belongs here or on the Confluence page. Thank you very much for your patience, listening to me here, and all the best for you and your first one-on-one meeting.